Inside every human lives an invisible world teeming with life. It is a vast, bustling metropolis made up of countless tiny organisms that work day and night to keep the body running smoothly. These hidden residents digest food, strengthen the immune system, and even communicate with the brain. Though unseen, they form one of the most vital systems within the human body. This complex inner community is the gut microbiome, and new research reveals that modern medicine may be disturbing it in ways that last far longer than anyone imagined. For many years, people believed that only antibiotics could damage the delicate balance of the gut. After all, antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, and while they target harmful microbes, they also take down many of the friendly ones in the process. But new evidence shows that other common medicines, from antidepressants to blood pressure drugs, can quietly alter this inner ecosystem. And the effects are not short-lived. Traces of these disruptions can linger in the gut for years after the pills are gone. To understand how deeply this runs, researchers studied thousands of volunteers whose medical and biological data were stored in a national biobank. Within this data lay a detailed record of how different medications shaped the communities living inside their digestive tracts. The results were striking. Nearly every class of drug examined showed some link to changes in the gut microbiome. Even medications not designed to affect bacteria were quietly shifting the balance, reducing diversity and wiping out certain microbial families altogether. The gut thrives on variety. A healthy microbiome is like a rainforest, full of different species coexisting and supporting one another. When diversity drops, the system weakens. This can lead to digestive trouble, inflammation, weakened immunity, and possibly changes in mood and behavior. The discovery that everyday drugs may cause such effects has opened a new chapter in understanding how medicine interacts with the human body. Among the most surprising findings were those linked to anxiety and sleep medications. These drugs, meant to calm the mind, appeared to have an impact on the gut as powerful as antibiotics. Some varieties caused wider disruption than others, suggesting that even within a single drug class, the degree of harm to the microbiome can vary. This points to the possibility that one day, doctors may choose medications not only based on their effectiveness for a specific condition but also based on how gently they treat the body's inner ecosystem. The more a person uses a medication, the greater the shift in gut microbes seems to be. The changes are not limited to the time when the drug is actively taken. Even after stopping the treatment, the microbial landscape can remain altered for years. The research team described this as a kind of carryover effect, meaning that the gut remembers. It retains traces of every pill and every chemical exposure, layering the effects over time. The result is a long-term reshaping of the body's microbial identity. This idea challenges the common assumption that the gut simply bounces back once medication stops. Instead, it appears that each course of treatment leaves a signature that can add up through life. Some microbes may never fully recover, while others might grow to fill the empty space, changing the balance of power inside the gut. Over the years, these subtle shifts could influence digestion, metabolism, and even mental health. Previous experiments with animals have hinted at similar outcomes. Mice exposed to long-term medication often show thinning of the protective mucus layer that lines their intestines. Without this layer, harmful bacteria can come closer to the intestinal wall, potentially triggering inflammation. Over time, this can alter how the body absorbs nutrients and regulates weight. In humans, These same mechanisms may help explain why some people experience unexplained metabolic changes after prolonged medication use. While the gut may seem far removed from the mind, the two are closely connected through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. This communication network allows microbes in the digestive system to send signals that influence mood, stress, and cognition. If common medications are altering this microbial world, they may also be indirectly affecting mental well-being. That possibility is now drawing growing interest from neuroscientists and clinicians alike. The findings highlight how little we still understand about the hidden life within us. Modern medicine has brought incredible advances, saving countless lives and easing suffering across generations. Yet, it has also introduced new and complex interactions that are only now coming to light. Each pill, while helping one part of the body, may be quietly reshaping another. The human body is not a collection of isolated organs but a vast web of interconnected systems, and the gut sits at the heart of that web. One of the most important lessons from this research is that our health is not only defined by our genes or lifestyle but also by the invisible companions we carry within. These microbes outnumber human cells by the trillions, and their well-being directly influences ours. Every time we take a medicine, we are not just treating a symptom but engaging in a delicate conversation with this unseen world. Understanding that relationship could transform the way healthcare is approached in the future. This does not mean that people should stop taking prescribed medications. Many drugs remain essential, and their benefits far outweigh the risks. However, the growing recognition of the microbiome's role in health means that doctors may soon begin considering how to protect it. Future treatments might include supplements or dietary changes designed to support microbial recovery after medication use. Researchers are already exploring ways to restore lost bacterial species and strengthen the gut after disruption. The hope is that one day, medicine will work in harmony with the body's natural systems rather than against them. By acknowledging that every pill interacts not just with human tissue but with an entire living ecosystem, we may find a more balanced way to heal. The gut microbiome, once overlooked, is now emerging as a central player in nearly every aspect of human health, from immunity to emotion. In the end, the discovery serves as a reminder of how interconnected all life is, even within a single body. The microbes inside us are not invaders but partners. They digest our meals, protect us from disease, and even shape our minds. When that partnership is disturbed, the effects ripple outward in ways we are only beginning to understand. Modern life has brought convenience and medical progress, yet it has also exposed the fragility of our inner ecosystems. As science continues to uncover the deep links between medication and the microbiome, one truth becomes clear. Caring for our gut is not just about avoiding discomfort or improving digestion. It is about maintaining the harmony of an ancient alliance that sustains every part of who we are. Our bodies hold a world within, a silent universe of life that keeps us alive. Every pill, every meal, every choice shapes that world. The question now is not only how medicine heals us, but what it leaves behind inside us.